showing you the absolute best leggings for you to wear for the fall weather. We're going to be a step-by-step analysis of both faux leather leggings as well as a gorgeous pair of dark chocolate brown latex leggings from Westward Bound. Are you ready to see the best styles that you need to be wearing this season? Let's start our educational video. So, many of you have questions about what are both the best colors and best materials to wear for the fall season. In today's video, I wanted to do a comparative analysis of both and give you the best educational fashion information you can get anywhere on YouTube. So, we're gonna be comparing a pair of leggings that is, yes, derriere enhancing, and made by a brand that's pretty easy for any of you to shop and available actually online on eBay. So these faux leather leggings are going to be in juxtaposition with our fabulous dark brown latex leggings, giving you a full comparison on not only the best materials, leather versus latex, but also a really great sampling of some beautiful chocolatey, rich autumnal colors that you should definitely be putting into your closet. So, do you have questions about what's the best material, latex or leather? What's going to be the most flattering for your body type this season? I'm here to answer all of those questions, but first, why don't I give you a full, view of these gorgeous chocolate brown leggings? Don't forget, these are the leather ones. Wait just a sec, guys. So before I show you more and give you the full details and the full rundown on this leggings, because I know you'd love to know more details about it and what I truly think, whether or not, leather leggings, faux leather leggings are even worth the buy for you, I really want to see you guys upgrade your lives, upgrade your whole lifestyle, get the best content possible, and go ahead and get that VIP membership, only available by tapping the Join Now button at the bottom of this video or heading over to inlatex.com. You could also tap the description box and that'll send you exactly where you need to go, or head over to my YouTube channel page and tap the membership tab. So these gorgeous leggings, I absolutely love them. I mean, I think that they are really attractive, and what I can say, things that I do like about them. I really like the lining of these leggings. I like how warm and insulated they feel. Honestly, I could see myself wearing these not just in the fall, but also in the winter, because the material is really thick and really supple, like really leather-like, even though it's a faux leather legging. The one thing that I would say, and why I probably won't keep these leggings, and you probably will be able to find them in my Poshmark store. You should definitely go look for that. Just tap the description box below or head over to inlatex.com, where you can also find tons of awesome items from my closet. So I really like the leggings, and I really like the feel of the leggings, the suppleness and the wearability. But to me, I felt like there was definitely something lacking in terms of the true purpose and function of these leather leggings as being derriere enhancing leggings. I did not find them to be very flattering to my shape. Even if you look over here, you'll see it has more of a boot cut than it does a skinny leg cut, which to me is just saying that maybe the material is a little bit too thick, and that's what's preventing it from, really really being so snug and tight a fit as what we like to see and what we've gotten used to seeing from our latex leggings. So with all of that being said, I'm really happy that I got an opportunity to show these leggings to you, just in case you were wondering. I'm just trying to see if any of the pockets are functional. No, they're not. The belt loops are, however, and it does come with a zipper and button fly. So, you know, just a little more aspects about it. So the leggings, totally gorgeous. The review, even more fabulous. It's been a really great and really educational, informative video, hasn't it? Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and introduce to you these latex leggings that I know you guys have been absolutely dying to see. Chocolate latex leggings. So why don't I give you my final verdict on that? But before we jump right into that, let me go ahead and get these leggings as shiny as humanly possible. Okay guys, so to give you my final verdict on this gorgeous Supertex dark brown outfit that I'm wearing for you, the leggings, latex leggings that I'm wearing for you, and the juxtaposition between the faux leather leggings that we're also wearing in dark brown earlier in this video. For me personally, I find latex to be the way to go. I would definitely recommend that you pick latex over faux leather, simply for the snugness, the skin tight fit, and just the look that you're going to get from the leggings. So if you notice, even though these leggings are made out of latex, simply because of the sheeting color, that super deep chocolatey brown that we've been talking about all throughout today's video, simply because of this, I feel like it almost gives it a leathery look, because this looks so much like the color of leather, right? Except for the fact that it's perfectly skin tight, it fits each and every little curve, It's shiny, which adds another element of dimension to the material that I just personally feel like the faux leather legging was not serving today. That's not to say that you can't find an amazing pair of faux leather leggings. And please do, guys, if you have any recommendations for brands or anything that you'd like to see me try on or review, definitely do comment down below and take a look at my wish list. It's available on inlatex.com, and anything that you pick out, I definitely do a bomb shout out for you and a little custom video and pics and stuff thanking you for your amazing contribution. So go over to Inlatex, look at the wish list, and pick out any, faux leather or latex item that you're curious to see me try on for you. I just want to thank you guys for watching today's video and enjoying everything and going through the process with me and exploring a different type of material than what we normally discuss on this channel. Good thing to know, though, that latex is always going to be the winner. Thank you again, guys. It's been so amazing hanging out with you. Talk soon.